Hi, welcome to EnglishReadingStarter1. Once again, this is Liza. I am pleased that I'm here to help you exploring other knowledge aside from English using this book, English Reading Starter 1. So come and join me as we learn the fundamental things in this book. Hello. We are now covering Unit 17. And in this unit, we will talk about map. Let me ask you this. Did you know that map is really important to us? Now I will ask you again. How many types of maps are there? Do you know? Well, if you will ask me, there are basically 6 types of maps. Every map has a compass point showing to the 4 basic directions, namely north, south, east, and west. In addition, all maps are drawn to a scale. There are climate maps, economic or resource maps, physical maps, political maps, road maps, and topographic maps. But I will ask you, what is a map? Do you know? Well, if you have only less idea about map, we will read the following information here so that you can really answer if someone asks you about map. Are you ready? Let's begin. At this time, we will read first the text in a slow pace so that we can easily or properly pronounce each word. Let's start. A map shows that the earth looks like. People use a map in many ways. Some people use a map to study the earth. Some people need a map to find some places. Do you know when people first started making maps? People started making maps thousands of years ago. Also, maps were first made on animal skins, clay, or wood. At this time, we will read the text again, but in a fast pace. This time, we will test your speed in reading. So, I want you to repeat or to read with me. Let's begin. A map shows what the earth looks like. People use a map in many ways. Some people use a map to study the earth. Some people need a map to find some places. Do you know when people first started making maps? People started making maps thousands of years ago. Also, maps were first made on animal skins, clay, or wood. There you have it. So, in short way of saying, a map is a picture or representation of the Earth's surface, showing how things are related to each other by distance, directions, and size. And also, you have to remember that maps are a way of showing many things about a portion of the Earth's surface on a flat piece of paper that can be carried and transported easily. There you have it. Now let's move to the next part of this page. We will see 2 activities here for us to do. In the first part, we have 3 statements here that tell something about the map. But these statements don't really give sense, only if you can see the difference, or if you can see the wrong things for each of the sentence. All you have to do is just to pick true, or T for true, and F for false. Okay, now let's start. Animal skins were important for making maps a long time ago. Is it true or false? The answer is true. It's really true that before, maps were made of animal skins. Next, people don't use maps much. True or false? The answer is true. Are you sure? But here, people don't use maps much. What do you think? The answer is false because people use maps in many ways. Lastly, a map is for finding places. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. We use map when we find some places. There you have it. Now let's move to the next part. Let's read the following words here. Now read with me. We have map, look like, use, weigh, find, animal skin, clay, wood. So you just have to keep on practicing on how to read the words here. Let's move to the last one. We have the word some, and this one has been used to 2 sentences here. Let's try to find out how this word is being used. Sentence number 1. Some students study English. Some students study English. I need some money. I need some money. There you have it. I hope that you can make use of this some in a right sentence. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. I hope that you have learned something about our topic, which is map. Well, I think I have to say goodbye for now, but let me tell you this. Thank you for joining me. If you wish to learn more about English, I am urging you to study at EnglishReadingStarter1. Just visit our website and get well informed from all areas of English. Once again, this is Glyza from EnglishReadingStarter1. See you in our next video. Goodbye.